Hello, in this video I'm gonna tell you what to do if your MacBook Air 2025 freezes. You can see mine isn't freeze, but if yours is, you can just press and hold on the power button. So let's do that. Just press and hold until the display goes off fully. And now wait half a minute or less, maybe 15 seconds will be enough. Then press and hold on the power button again if it didn't turn on automatically. Don't press and hold, sorry, just press quickly, because in case you press and hold, it'll open the recovery tools. So, yeah, just press on it. And you can see it's on, you can unlock it. And it should log in. And that's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.